Hello friends, in this video I will give you information about the examinations conducted by Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR. As you know that the Indian Council of Agriculture Research is the apex body for coordinating, guiding and managing research and education in agriculture in the entire country under the support of Department of Agriculture Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. For your kind information, the ICAR Agricultural University System of India has 74 agricultural universities comprising 63 state agricultural, veterinary, horticultural and fisheries universities, that is commonly known as state agriculture universities. For each and every state, you will see one or more than two state agriculture universities found. For ICAR deemed universities like Indian Agriculture Research Institute, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, National Dairy Research Institute and Central Institute of Fisheries Education. Three central agriculture universities, these are Central Agriculture University Imphal, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agricultural University Pusha and Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University Jhansi. Four central universities having faculties of agriculture, these are Banaras Hindu University, Aligarh Muslim University, Vishwa Bharati and Nagaland University. So these are the highest number of university in the field of agriculture educations, and you will be very surprised to know the National Agricultural Research and Education and Extension System of India is one of the largest agricultural research system in the world, which is admitting more than 28,000 students at undergraduate level and over 17,500 students at PG and doctorate level every year in different disciplines of agriculture and allied sciences. For getting admission in these universities, entrance examination have been conducted by National Testing Agency since 2019. Earlier, examination was conducted by ICAR, that was in offline mode. ICAR is conducting 3 levels of examinations, so it is very important information, so any student can get the information regarding this. First examination is ICAR AIEEA, that is for undergraduate level. It is all India entrance examination for admission to 15% seat in bachelor degree program in agriculture and allied sciences other than veterinary sciences at agriculture universities and 100% seat at National Dairy Research Institute Karnal, Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture University Jhansi and Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University Pusha, Bihar. It is for award of National Talent Scholarship in Agriculture and Allied Sciences. Second, ICAR AIEEA for PG. It is all India entrance examination for admission to 25% seat in master program in accredited agriculture universities. 100% seat at IARI, IVRI, NDRI, CFA, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture Universities and Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agriculture Universities. It is for award of ICAR PG scholarship and it is also for National Talent Award, that is PGS in Agriculture and Allied Sciences. Third is for ICAR AICE JRF or SRF for PhD. It is all India competitive examination for admission to 25% seat in doctoral degree program of accredited universities under ICAR Agriculture University System, 100% seat of ICR Deemed University and Dr. Rajendra Prasad Center at Universities. It is for award of ICAR, SRF or JRF in agriculture and allied fields. Dear students, please don't confuse regarding the JRF, SRF. This is for the UG program. Actually, nomenclature has been changed. Earlier, after the completion of BSc Agriculture, students were preparing for the JRF examinations. Now, nomenclature has been changed. Here, you have to apply for PGS program. So, for PhD, it is for JRF or SRF examinations. So, all the above examinations being conducted by computer-based systems. And question is of multiple types or objective types. Then you have to appear for the examinations. In the next video, I will give you information regarding how to go for the preparation of UG level, PG level, PhD level, and how much fellowship you will get for each and every program. I hope this video is important for you. Thank you so much. In next video, we will meet you in a different topic. Thank you so much.